Hello guys, welcome back to Managerial Solution. Today I will be talking about creating Android application with chatbot feature. For this you will need to install Android Studio. Once you install Android Studio, create a new project. Go to File, New and then New Project. Since here we are creating an application integrated with Gemini API, you have to select the Gemini API starter template. Once you do it, you need a Gemini API key. For generating the key, you will need to navigate to aistudio.google.com. Here, please go through the pricing and terms of service and post that create your own API key. Once you generate your API key, put that into the Android Studio and here you will get a template project created. Once your project is created, then you can start changing the model name. Note here I am using Gemini 1.5 Flash. How will you find which model suits you? Just navigate to ai.google.dev and here you are provided with list of model variants. Note it takes different kinds of inputs. However, the output is text. In my case, I will go with Gemini 1.5 Flash. Now, let's take a look at how the model is running. To do that, I will need to run this application. Let me run it. Note I am using Pixel Fold API 35 as the emulator. Once the running device is activated, I can put any text here. Let me put one question. Rather, let me put one riddle. What fly without wings? Now you can see the answer. This is a riddle. The answer is time. Very good. Let me know if you like to try another one. Okay, it's challenging me. Let me ask something difficult. What goes out with four legs and returns with none? Let's see if it can answer this. A table. This is classic riddle. Great. If you have any question, do comment in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.